2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 lifted, 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 Trail Boss, new cars by. Welcome to our car blog. This time we will be share information about the latest cars is coming Chevrolet brand. The title of an article we take is 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 lifted, 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 Trail Boss, new cars by. We will be try discuss details about this car, ranging from reviews, concept, redesign, rumors, exterior, interior, specs, changes, engine, colors, pictures, release date and also prices. Congratulations to read and we hope you enjoy it and then we'll come back again here. 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 lifted, 2019 Chevy Silverado 1500 Z71 Trail Boss, new cars by. Chevrolet has rolled out the all-new 2019 Chevrolet Silverado 1500, which wears buff new bodywork and sits on a completely redesigned frame. The latest Silverado promises to be lighter and more capable than its predecessor, but unlike the Ford F-150, which uses aluminum bodywork for both the cab and the bed to trim pounds, the 2019 Silverado reserves the lighter material for its hood, doors, and tailgate. The Chevy's roof, fenders, and bed are once again made of steel. Chevy claims to have trimmed as much as 450 pounds from the crew cab V8 2019 Silverado relative to its predecessor, including 88 pounds from the body and another 88 pounds taken out of the frame. Bigger is better. The 2019 Silverado 1500 isn't just lighter than its predecessor, it's also bigger, with a wheelbase that's as much as 3.9 inches longer than the current trucks. Overall length is up as well, with the new truck casting a shadow 1.6 inches longer than before. The larger footprint improves rear seat comfort in the four-door crew cab, as legroom grows from 40.9 inches to 43.8 inches. Along with the additional stretch-out space, Chevy managed to squeeze in two large storage bins in the rear seat backs, as well as storage space under the rear seat bottoms. No matter the cab configuration, every 2019 Silverado gets a larger bed that offers almost 7 inches of extra floor width. An available power-operated tailgate is new and allows consumers to open and close the tailgate via the key fob or a cabin-mounted button. Sufficiently efficient. Chevrolet is offering a total of 6 different powertrain combinations. 2 new gasoline V8 engines, a 5.3-liter unit and a 6.2-liter promise improved efficiency by way of General Motors' new dynamic fuel management system, which can cut fuel flow to between 1 and 7 cylinders as conditions permit. New to the lineup is a diesel drinking turbocharged 3.0-liter inline-6. Chevy has yet to reveal horsepower, torque, or fuel economy predictions for any of the Silverado powertrains, but brand officials did note that both the 6.2-liter V8 and the turbo diesel will feature stop/start technology and made to a 10-speed automatic transmission. The new Silverado 1500 should have an easier time cutting through the air, as Chevy claims that the truck's aerodynamic efficiency has increased by 7%, thanks to items such as front-end air curtains that direct airflow around the front wheels and a spoiler integrated into the rear of the cab. 8 is enough. When the new Silverado goes on sale, it will be offered in a total of 8 trim levels. The base work truck trim lives up to its name and features 17-inch steel wheels, vinyl or cloth seats, and black exterior trim. Even the base truck comes with a 7.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system and a throwback grille design that drops the brand's classic bow tie in favor of Chevrolet block lettering. The work truck's grille also appears on the custom trim, which adds body color exterior trim, 20-inch aluminum wheels, and LED tail lights. Stepping up to the custom Trail Boss nets a 2.0-inch lift as well as the Z71 off-road package, which includes a locking rear differential, skid plates, a set of Rancho shocks, and 18-inch wheels wrapped in knobby Goodyear Duratrac tires. Holding down the middle of the lineup is the LT. It sports a Chevrolet bowtie badge up front and adds chrome exterior bits, LED headlights, and an 8.0-inch touchscreen infotainment system. An LT Trail Boss features all of the off-road ready equipment from the custom Trail Boss and also includes the convenience items from the LT. A new RST trim provides the Silverado 1500 with additional visual pop by way of body color exterior trim, all LED exterior lighting, and available 22-inch wheels. Finally, the bowtie badged LTZ and High Country cater to customers in search of a dollop of luxury. The former features standard luxury and convenience items such as leather seating surfaces and power folding exterior mirrors, while the latter gets a special two-tone grille, chrome running boards, and a standard power tailgate. Although Chevrolet is keeping mum on details related to the 2019 Silverado 1500's pricing and powertrain for now, we expect the brand to reveal more pertinent details about its half-ton pickup truck in the coming months, and we will continue to update this space as new information is received. Thanks.